Hey everyone, it's Akos here from Flow. Today video it will be a little bit different. I'm working with Alibaba.com to show you how easy and affordable global sourcing can be using their mobile app. I'll walk you through the app, my own experience ordering a screen protector, and why this can be a game changer for creators or small businesses. Let's go! Alright, the question is why I started to using the Alibaba.com mobile app. So recently I've been using the Alibaba.com mobile app a lot more, and honestly it's way more convenient than I expected. The idea behind this campaign is to help people see how simple is it to be source products directly from global suppliers. Not just big businesses, but everyday creators like me or you. Prices are better, you can talk directly to the seller, and the range of products is massive. Everything from phone accessories to camera gear to anything you can think of. Let me quickly talk about the app because this is the main focus here. The UI is actually pretty clean. You have categories for everything, filters for materials, compatibility, shipment options, seller ratings, and you can message suppliers instantly. What I really like is how transparent everything is. You can see minimum order quantities, delivery estimates, reviews with photos, and even get custom quotas if you want to buy in bulk. For creators and small businesses, this is great, because it gives you direct access to manufacturers rather than a middleman. So here's the product I sourced within the app, a high quality screen protector for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I picked one that has solid reviews, good specs, and a reliable seller. Installing it was quick. It lined up perfectly, adhered smoothly, and I didn't get any corner lifting or bubble issues. Touch response is really smooth, the Face ID works perfectly, and the clarity is honestly impressive for the price. I've been using it daily and I'm genuinely happy with it. Colors look natural, there's no rainbow effect, and it wipes clean easily thanks to a good oleophobic coating. This is exactly what I like about sourcing from Alibaba.com. You get quality without the huge markups, especially when you're buying things you replace often like screen protectors or small accessories. So I was absolutely satisfied with the product itself. So this is how creators and small businesses can benefit. If you are a creator, small business owner, or even someone thinking of reselling accessories, the Alibaba.com app gives you a ton of flexibility. You can order single items for personal use or bulk orders for your business. You can check supplier ratings, chat with them directly, negotiate quotas, and basically build your own product lineup from scratch. The whole global sourcing process feels much easier when everything is handled inside the app. So if you're curious about sourcing products, or you want to explore more affordable alternatives to what you see in stores, definitely check Alibaba.com mobile app. I will leave the product link and the app link in the description so you can check it for yourself. So I was Akos here from Flow. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.